What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So, beware of all the fake King Hussle pages out there. If any random King Hussle page starts following you, starts writing you, saying, hey, you wanna make some money, what's up, yo? Any of that, that is not me. That is a red flag of a scammer page. Point blank period. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see in this face you doing business with the right person and you getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, I'm dropping another gem. I'm dropping another freebie. I'm dropping another giveaway. I'm dropping another saucer tin for you guys because, like I said, I'm going to drop as many videos as I can, direct you guys to the right places in order for you guys to get your credit, get this money, get these loans that you guys need. Like I said, these sites that I give you are either lenders or not lenders. Either they're companies that will direct you to lenders based off your information, or they're companies or banks that will lend you the money, all right? So if you go to a certain site and you fill out information and it directs you to so many different lenders, that's because those are the lenders. Those are the people who are going to give you the money. The site that you went on first is the people who are going to help you find the loan that fits best for your profile that you just entered, all right? So stop thinking these sites are scams and fakes, and no. Real life, real business going on, all right? So today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get a $40,000 loan with poor credit. Hold on. My bad, money text. So boom. How you get a $40,000 loan with poor credit, right? And I'm gonna direct you to this lender. A lot of people don't know about this lender. A lot of people never heard of this lender, but P2P credit, all right, for poor credit. And they'll literally link you with people that will invest in you, that will lend you the $40,000, all right? So it's not a bank, it's not a lender, it's peer-to-peer, all right? It's peer-to-peer lending. It's another strategy for people with bad credit loans who need a better chance of getting these loans. And they got people who are actually out there that will literally lend you $40,000, you know what I'm saying? With an APR and all that, just like a bank. So today we're going to be checking out a place called peer-to-peer credit. And like I said before in all my videos, you want to get your credit profile together. You want to get all the collections. You want to get your credit profile. You want to see all the collections that's on your credit profile. Once you see all the collections that you have on your credit profile, late payments, evictions, all that good stuff like that, you're going to say, okay, let's get a good examining what's going on. Some accounts you might want to leave on your account, on your credit profile. Some accounts you might want to get off. The more accounts that you get off, the less age your account with your credit profile will be. The more accounts that you leave on and just get the payments up to date, the more age your credit profile will be, all right? And a lot of people don't think because they got a credit score of 750 or 700 or something like that, they're going to get approved. And a lot of people with good credit scores don't get approved for a lot of things because the debt to income ratio on their credit profile. You got a high debt on your credit profile and you're making good payments on that debt, that's good. If you got a high debt on your credit profile and you're making no payments and it's negatively affecting your profile, that's bad, all right? So it's a difference between the two. So what you're going to do is you're going to get them collections. You're going to clean up your credit profile. You're going to freeze your credit reports on all three bureaus. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you freeze it, you're gonna go back to your credit profile and you can go and get your credit report on Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, any of those sites. But I use Experian. Once you use whatever you choose, I wouldn't use Credit Karma, but you could. Last option, but Experian is pretty good. Once you get your credit profile, you freeze your credit report on all the three FICOs, all the three credit bureaus, boom. Then you go back and you dispute all those accounts that's on your credit report. Because once your credit report is frozen and they go to check to make sure the accuracy of this account is yours, they can't do that. So they have no choice but to deleted off your credit profile. All right, so we gotta start learning our laws. We gotta start learning these type of things so we can stop so the government can stop getting over on us. All right, so boom. Once they start falling off your credit, now you want to add good debt to your credit. And like I told you guys about all those trade lines, you want to add, if you're paying bills, you paying rent, you paying Hulu, Netflix, you paying any type of bill, and you want an electricity bill, energy bill, cell phone bill. You want all these to reflect on your credit profile, because if you're paying this a month, it should go towards your credit. Point blank period. So I told you guys about Ava, Incredible, Self, Credit Strong, sites like that. So in order for you to get those trade lines and get that debt on your credit profile, that good debt, because once you sign up for these trade lines, each month you make a payment on each trade line, and that payment will be taken out your bank account. And every time that you make by that being taken out your bank account, you will be making exceptional payment history, because it's going to be on time and you won't have any problems. All right, so boom, now that you got that exceptional payment history and you're getting that on your account, like I said, you can add up to $60,000-$70,000 in debt, good debt, trade lines on your credit profile, so it can look good. Boom. Once you add that credit, the trade lines and things like that, let it marinate for a second, about a month and a half, maybe two. Boom. Once you let it marinate, then you want to go apply for those loans. And without further ado, peer-to-peer, P2P, credit lending, and I'm going to show you how you can get $40,000, not from the banks, not from the lenders, but from peer-to-peer. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so peer-to-peer credit. All right, peer-to-peer credit, peer-to-peer lending, and peer-to-peer loans. Peer-to-peer credit offers personal loans access up to $40,000. Peer-to-peer personal loans are offered directly to individuals without the intimidation of a bank or traditional financial institutions. Online peer-to-peer personal lending and peer-to-peer personal loan sites are currently allowing people to connect with one another to get loans online with real money in real time. All right, so loans can be made between individual users or between large numbers of lenders, making a loan to one to borrow. The lack of a bank with the high overhead skimming off the transactions allows peer-to-peer credit to offer access to providers of lower fixed rates loans and cleaner fee structures than traditional financial products. All right, so borrow up to $40,000 in interest rates as low as 6.99 APR, depending on the credit. Invest in a P2P loan and achieve impressive annual yields from the consumer asset class. So you got window loans, you got motorcycle loans, medical loans, military loans, things like that. Peer-to-peer credit, they got personal loans, debt consolidation, loans for bad credit. So peer-to-peer loans for bad credit. Peer-to-peer credit offers personal loan access to borrowers with bad credit. Traditional banks often deny loan applicants from borrowers with credit scores less than 680. However, with peer-to-peer lending, you are likely still eligible to get a loan with fair interest rate, even if you have bad credit. All right, so traditional loans versus peer-to-peer loans. Traditional banks have higher overhead and narrow margins, which makes it unappealing for the unextended credit to borrowers with bad credit. Peer-to-peer lending is different. Peer-to-peer loans are funded by individuals or groups of individuals through insufficient online platforms with very low overhead. This is a key difference which makes peer-to-peer personal loans for bad credit active option. When traditional banks have no choice but to decline a loan applicant, peer-to-peer lenders can offer financial product with reasonable fixed interest rates. All right, so basically you will be borrowing from people and not banks. All right, something new. I know y'all ain't never heard of that, so this will be the first on YouTube for you guys to go tap in. It's easier for you to get them loans. Like I said, go get your credit profile together, get it structured. It's copyrighted, so you know it's a real site. It's 2000, you know what I'm saying, 23. So all rights reserved. Not a fake site. They got they got personal loans, different type of loans. They got small business loans, short-term loans, the rates, payment calculator. They got all that. All right, so peer-to-peer credit, bad credit loans, up to $40,000. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Yeah, I know ain't nobody ever heard about that. I know ain't nobody ever even knew that you could probably do that. And that's why I'm going to be the first to bring it to you. That's why I'm going to be the first to introduce it to you. Peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer loans. You can get a loan from somebody or a group of people instead of going to these traditional banks where they're going to turn you around with bad credit. You got bad credit, you want that last option. Are you on your last option? Where peer-to-peer lending will literally help you out way better and way faster than these traditional banks. All right, up to $40,000 personal loans, bad credit. You tap in with them, you go get approved, you get your life back on the right track. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. Like I said, make sure you're following the steps that I gave you in the beginning of the video so you can have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. Because when they go look and they see, okay, this credit profile is good, let's just check them out, then you have a better chance of getting approved for it. Vice versa, you just somebody watching this video, and then jumping and just trying to go apply for the loan. You ain't got no job, you ain't got no bank account, you ain't got none of that. Of course you're going to get denied. All right, so warning, before you go apply for these loans, these bad credit loans and anything, make sure your credit profile, make sure you got is up to date, make sure it's in good standing, make sure you got them good trade lines on your credit, make sure you got a bank account. A lot of y'all don't even be having bank accounts. I'm talking about a checking and savings bank account. Make sure you got a relationship with that bank. Make sure you got transactions going in and less going out. I'm telling you, don't go apply for one of these loans and you thinking you're going to get applied just because you got bad credit. No. Got to have your business together. All right, so make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all tap in, man. It's your boy, King Hussle, man. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers on the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms and YouTube channels. Make sure y'all follow me on my King Hussle 2.0 second blog channel. Make sure you follow me on my King Hussle Crazy Reactions, my reaction video channel. Make sure you follow me on Turn Motivation and Memes, my motivational channel. Make sure you follow me on King Hussle X1M, my music channel. Got 3 mixtapes on the way. So make sure y'all tap in with that. Make sure y'all tapped into all the channels, because I'm finna do a giveaway. And if you're not tapped in and you miss out on that video and you don't know what's going on, then that's on you. I ain't got nothing to do with it. I told y'all how to be aware, so be aware. What else? Still looking for people for the production company to elevate and win with. Still looking for cameraman, producers, content creators, models, rappers, actors. All right, so anybody out there with the talent, you got some good music, tap in with me. Music reviews is $200. If you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? All right, so make it make sense. You're not going to be able to go anywhere else and try to tell them, hey, I got the best record, I got the best music, sign me, I'm what you need. That's not going to cut it. That's not going to get you anywhere. All right, we got to see that you're willing to invest, because this music is not just a make music and you blow up. No, you got to really invest, and it takes a lot of money to get you popular. All right, so always remember that. Models, you're tired of looking beautiful for free. You can't be directed. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. All right, so you looking to make some money. You looking to get put in the right positions. You looking to be putting movies, podcasts, do your own YouTube channel, music videos, modeling, all that type of stuff like that. Tap in with me, because I'm going to put you in all the right positions to win. All right, like I said, you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Make sure that attitude is in place, and I guarantee you we're going to be in first place. All right, easy as that. All right, content creators, anybody out there with 500 subscribers, at least 500 subscribers and 2,000 watch time hours on YouTube, you looking to elevate, you looking to grow, you looking to make money, tap in with me. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to make money together. Sign up H&E. Anybody out there looking to make money off YouTube, $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month or more, tap in with me. It's a little thing called YouTube automation. I'll help you make your page. I'll give you lessons for $500, and for $1,000 I will literally create your page for you with your niche and add 5 videos, 5 to 10 videos on there for you. All right, so make sure you tap in with that. Make sure y'all come get y'all lessons. Basic lessons is $500, advanced lessons is $1,000. Unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-one, all lessons. All the lessons is FaceTime one-on-ones, but unlimited gems is $2,000. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. But I got to come out-of-state to you. $500 deposit to lock your seat and your date down. And the rest of the money will be in person. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all win. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all come get this win. Learn how to get this money. We going to win together. All right, it's your boy, King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.